Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund the Jetstar plane tickets in 2024. Whether your plans have changed or you need to cancel your flights, understanding how to get a refund from Jetstar is very essential. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to request a refund for Jetstar plane tickets in 2024. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into this video and simply, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. And of course, before requesting a refund, it's important to understand Jetstar refund policy. Jetstar offers, of course, some different refund options based on the ticket type and fare rules. Fully refundable fares, example, can be refunded to the original form without any fees or something of the payment, of course, while non-refundable fares might only be eligible for travel credits or vouchers, maybe, as example, for future use, maybe you're using it for next flights or something like that. If you're using that specific industry a lot, or a plane a lot, maybe you're using Jetstar a lot. Of course, if you're gonna see or if you want to see if you're eligible or not, but unless of course you book it within 24 hours, you can cancel it for free with the total without fees or something like that with the total amount. So to check if you're eligible or not, so you can simply go to the URL section, just look for Jetstar refund policy, as example, and see as example if you're eligible or not. Of course, you can even go to their website first of all. So you don't have permissions to access this on the server. Of course, I don't know why. So I'll just go and change the VPN just in case and see if something will appear. So okay, once I enter a VPN, it works. So first of all, as you can see, you'd like to see if you're eligible or not. But if you already know that you are eligible for a refund, you don't have to wait your time. All you need to do, just go to their website, go and click on sign in into your account. Of course, if you have your account and you book your tickets with that account, make sure to go here, log in into that account. Once you do so, go to your accounts or your profile at the top right corner. You'll find there your trips or bookings. Click on it, and you'll find the booking that you would like to cancel and get a refund for. Click on cancel because you would like to cancel it first. And once the cancellation process is finished, once you go through the cancellation process, then you can request a refund for it. Click on request a refund and go through that process. It will take from 7 up to 10 business days until they refund you the money. Of course, if you, as an example, buy the tickets but not with an account as a guest without logging in or creating an account. So what should you do at this point? Of course, there's two options. Whether you can go to your email as example. So let's say example the email that you book with. Let's say example it's here Gmail. So just go here and let's pretend this is the email. So you can go just to that email. As example, you'll find the tickets here. If you scroll down, you'll find if you want to cancel this tickets, click in here. So you'll find the blue link like this. Click on it, and you'll be taken to cancel that tickets right away. After cancel it again and going through the process again, you will have to go through the refund process. And again, it will take up from 7 up to 10 business days. So they can refund you to the original form of payments. The other option can be done normally in their website. So if you go here, as example, click on flights that you already have. So let me just go and, oh no, not flights. Okay, so just click on flight, then click on manage booking as an example in here. So once you click on manage booking, all you need to do in here is simply enter your booking references and email address or username. If you don't know what's booking references, click on it. What is this? And as you can see here, they will show you what's that is. Example, they'll show you example. And basically, once you make a booking, okay, so I quit that. You will find it within your tickets, and you'll find booking references. It's going to be, as example, this is around it. So you will not get annoyed or you will not find it. So you'll basically just find it very fast if you look at your tickets, whether it's on your email or on your phone, or maybe you have it physically. It's up to you. Enter your information here, click on manage booking, cancel it. Once it's canceled, you'll be able to go again through the process of refunding. Again, you'll have to wait from 7 to 10 days, business days. Other than that, you have this compensation refund if you don't know if you're eligible or not. So the first options, of course, I showed you already how to cancel it and refund it, but that's if you already know if you are eligible. If you're not eligible, what should you do? Or if you don't know if you're eligible or not, what should you do? As you can see, we can go through here to see if we're eligible or not. So, example for delays and cancellations, example for 3 hours, if it's 3 hours plus delay. So away from airports, example, will you be able to get like the meal voucher, etc.? Yeah, no transfer, no accommodation. At home airports, example, yeah, meal voucher, no transfer, no accommodation. Overnight, example, depends on if Jetstar arrange or customer arrange, example. So you find here on the table everything that you want to know. For delay or cancellation outside of our control, example, there's nothing. For like credit voucher value of the flights upon request for 3 hours plus if you don't travel because we are unable to rebook you on Jetstar flights acceptable to you, and the purpose of your trip is void, as example, you'll be able to get like the credit vouchers of the value to your flights open request. For commercial overbooking example, so this is for delay and cancellation. For commercial overbooking example, you have these options. Again, you'll have to read this table to understand. Refunds for delay and cancellation overbooking example. So as you can see, those informations in here. The thing that's I cannot see mentioned here is simply like the cancellation within 24 hours. So if you book a flight and you try to cancel it within 24 hours, they will basically just refund you the full amounts on your original form of payments without asking for a fee, without asking for anything. They will do it right away. And yeah, that's it. So that's how you refund a Jetstar plane tickets in 2024. That's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.